Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Friday, January the 10th, and I want to give a quick, I'm a legend in my own mind. I want to give a update on the 2025 Crypto Bull Run road trip. It is still going on. It is still going on at the end of the month. And I'm going to be getting some merchandise in the mail tomorrow, Saturday, the 11th. And I'm going to show you some of the merchandise that I'll be giving away on my road trip. If you're in Kansas, I want to hear from you. If you're in Nebraska, I want to hear from you. If you're in Iowa, I want to hear from you. If you're from Oklahoma, I want to hear from you. So, Crypto Mentor 99, I'm taking my vitamins, getting my 8 hours of sleep. I'm going to make a miraculous comeback, and I'm going to kick whatever virus I've got, and I'm going to be a better man. In the meantime, I'm going to listen to some bagpipes. You know, for some reason, a lot of funerals that I've been to over the years have had bagpipes. You can't beat a good bagpipe band. Is that what they're called? Anyhow, shout out to all the bagpipers out there. Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being part of my crypto family. And I got to go take some medicine. Love y'all. Bye-bye.